Aftercare, it's very important because it's going to extend your investment and make it longer, a lot longer. It will help you to enjoy your hair much better, as well as it will prevent any future damage, and it will affect, by the way, the result and the timing for the long run as well as for the next session. I can give you a quick tips and advice, but the rest you find it with your own stylist. Basically, salty water, a chlorine water where you go to find it on the swimming pool or on the beach, or when you're showering, try to install a filter, especially if you're living here in Dubai. Concerning the hair product that you're using before and after when you're washing your hair, or for an example, the hair styling product that you're using, all those parameters and factors can really reflect into the outcome and can affect the next session. And much more advices that you will find it with your stylist. Always it depends on your hair and your scalp condition. He might advise you to go and do some extra treatment. Maybe you have to do nourishing treatment. Maybe you have to do deep conditioning treatment. Maybe you suffer of dehydration. So every one of us has different case from the others. And based that case, the experts will always have set of advice to give you in order for you to enjoy the present and extend the investment and turn it up to be experience, and also prevent future damage and make the next session much more joyful than the one just happened.